Hi, I'm Michael Hawks, a registered architect and the design manager for Acorn Deck House Company. Before we even start a design, we need to get as much information about the site as possible because every site is unique and every site has their own zoning restrictions, setbacks, height restrictions, view easements, you name it. You can't really design anything until you know all you can about the site. So the first things we look at when a client comes to us with their site is we say, what is the topography? How is the site sloping? What is the orientation to the sun? And also, of course, the views, whether they're the primary views that you're trying to capture, or there may be some secondary views you have, or also views that you want to block. Another key aspect to a site, of course, is to think about how the trees are going to affect the design and how you can use their placement to your advantage. A lot of times the client may come to us with a preconceived notion of how they think maybe a plan they've seen could work on their site, or think there's only a certain way that it can work on that site, and part of our role is to help them see other solutions to that. For the most part, a prefabricated home can be built on any site. One of the benefits to the panelized system that we use is that it's purely adaptable to any site.